We inside the hallways right now. Shh, we gotta be quiet, they're testing. We can't even speak right now. How you doing, sweetheart? You alright? I'm fine. See this right here? Thanks, bro. Right now, we going. Look at this. See that? Boy. Hey. And for all the students who with Miss Dukes has now retired. Yeah, I couldn't get her on there. Mr. Kills, whatever. I know y'all want to see him, but you know what I mean? Time is wrapping up. So we good from here. Other than that, it is what it is. Peace.